let's learn about escape sequences. These are the sequences of characters which are used to format the output. Every escape sequence is a combination of two or more characters where the first character is a backslash symbol, and the following characters determine the purpose of the escape sequence. Now let's see what all escape sequences are available in Python programming. This is /n, which is for new line, /t for tab or multiple spaces, /a for an alarm or a bell, /r for carriage return, /b for backspace, /single quotes, this is for displaying single quotes on the screen, and this is /double quotes for displaying double quotes on the screen. Now let's see how they can be used in our Python programs. I'm using command line Python here. So let's begin with the first example of /n. I use it in my print function where I'm writing this text, and all these three words are separated with /n. /n is a new line character which is going to separate the words by adding a new line in between. Similar task can be performed by writing print function 3 times, where the first print function can have the word programming, the second one can have in, and the third print function call can have the word Python. So the same output will be generated when you are using print function for 3 times. So to avoid calling the function so many times, you can write the output in one print function by separating them with the help of this /n. This is for /t. /t is for tab. It generates 4 spaces, so you can see great and the word learners are separated with 4 spaces. In Python, these are 4 spaces, and they can be configured also, and it depends on the software that we are using. And many software supports this /t escape sequences by giving 8 spaces between the words. Now you can see these 2 words are separated by some space. Now I'll show an example here using sep argument. Because sep can have any character, so I'm going to write these 2 words in different double quotes separated by a comma, and then I assign /t to the sep argument. Now you can see the same output is generated. The only difference is I'm taking the help of sep arguments. So /t or /n, they are all single characters which can be assigned to the sep argument or the end argument of your print function. Now in case if you want to show an error in your program or just a beep or an alarm, then you can take the help of this /a. So I've written a word error, and I want when this message is displayed on the screen, some sound must be generated along with it. So this /a will generate a small beep or an alarm bell which can be used to show it to the user that an error has been generated. Now I'm using /r. It is for carriage return. Now use of this escape sequence is to move the text written after it in the beginning of the string that I've used in my print function. So you can see 3.8 has 3 characters. Now these characters are moved in the front of the text, replacing the characters P, Y and T, and the rest of the characters of the word Python are shown after that. I'm writing the example for /b. /b is for backspace. So during runtime, while accepting some input, you want to delete a particular character by removing it with the help of a backspace key. So you can write it in this way. Now the character towards the left of this /b has been removed. So I wrote digit 4 twice, and you can see one of the digit has been removed in the output. As you already know that the text data written in Python programs can be enclosed inside single quotes or double quotes. So I'll show you an example here how we can include a single quote inside the data which has been enclosed completely inside the single quotes. Now you can see here I have written hello ma'am and the text is enclosed inside the single quotes. Now this line generates an error because these quotes work in pairs, so the first and second make a part of the text, whereas the third single quote is not able to find a matching beginning single quote. Because of this, an invalid syntax error is generated here. So to correct this, we can use the escape sequence for single quote, and now I'm going to put that data completely inside single quote by writing /single quote here, and the output comes out to be perfectly. Similar thing happens for a string which is to be enclosed inside double quotes. So you can see in this example, I'm trying to print the word Python inside the double quotes. So I want those double quotes to be shown in the output. So for this, I tried putting 2 double quotes in the beginning and 2 double quotes in the end, but this generates an error. So to get it correct, we are going to take the help of /double quote escape sequence. So you can see I have written /double quotes in the beginning and /double quotes in the end. So the first and the last double quote, they make a pair, whereas /double quotes make it possible to have that double quote in the output. So this is how we can use our escape sequences inside our print function, or they can be assigned to a string variable in our Python programs.